Parody to Payphone. Yeah, let's go. I like to sing songs in my own house and make them into my parody. I have a mustache, yeah, and a mo and a flute that I used to play. Yeah, I play in band and I like to sing it and I can put this on my mouth, yeah. I have a remote, yeah. I have a pillow right here too. I don't know what I'm doing. I have a headache and now I'm very confused. Don't know what to do. Underwear, just kidding. That was my pair of own shorts. And here's a remote. And here's a mustache. Oh, where did my head go? It got cut off. Here is a mustache and it goes here. And it's called a mustache on a stick. I am sitting on my own phone, yeah, 'cause my friend is on the phone with me. She can probably hear everything I'm saying, and here's the remote again. Here is my pillow I sleep on, yeah. It's so comfortable, you should buy one, yeah. I have my very own mustache, my head got cut off again. Here is my food again, yeah. I think I'm going too fast. I can get crazy, yeah, I get too crazy. Here is my mustache again, yeah, and here's the remote. Oh, my flute just fell. I think I should pick it up off my bed and put it somewhere safe where it won't break. And hopefully this song will not get yeah. 'Cause I'll have to start over again with this whole mustache thing. I won't remember 'cause this is coming off the top of my head. What about call me? Hey, she just messaged me on Voodoo. You have a new voodoo not. I just said donut, like what the beep. I would never say that, that's too bad. And I do not swear, I can't rap this song. I knew not what to do, I can't do this. I got a remote in my hand, and yeah. She might have hung up on me because she's a little jerk. She's a little punk. I can't do this, so I don't know what to do. I don't know how to. Are you listening to me? Yeah. I don't know if you're listening to me. Are you listening to me? Are you listening? I don't know if you are or not. If you are listening to me, are you listening to me? I don't know if you're listening to me. If you are, then you got a little crazy. I don't know what to do, and I got my mustache out, and again I put up my face. I'd like to bring my mustache out, and yeah, smile with it, talking a British accent, 'cause you know I'm addicted. Yeah, I like British accents a lot, and I like tea and crumpets too. Yeah, I like Australian too. Yeah. What about this mustache? Yeah, is that do British people have mustache? Maybe, but I am real not sure. Ouch!